Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's move on to the hormone sensitive lipase. The hormone sensitive lipase versus the lipoprotein lipase. So this includes, there is a HSL. HSL is nothing but what is the location of this HSL? The location of HSL is the adipocyte. And what is the location of the lipoprotein lipase? Lipoprotein lipase is nothing but the capillaries. Next is, what is the action of the HSL? The action of HSL is the hydroxylase tag in the adipose tissue. So HSL, the action is hydroxylase tag in the adipose tissue. So H for H. Then what is the lipoprotein lipase? The lipoprotein lipase is the hydroxylase tag, and this is present in the chylomicron. So present in chylomicron as well as the VLDL. Next, what acts in the state of? So what is the HSL? The HSL, if you see, it acts in a state of fasting. That is glucagon. And lipoprotein lipase, it is present in fed state. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.